If you've been around Iceland with a View for a while, you might have noticed that things are looking a little different lately. New colors, new logo, a new shop, simplified guides and planning tools. But if you're new here, you might just be discovering all this for the first time. Either way, I wanted to sit down and talk to you directly because this year marks 10 years of Iceland with a View. And what you're seeing now is not just a visual update. It's the result of a full evolution, both in the business and in how I help people plan their trips to Iceland. When I started Iceland with a View back in 2014, it was honestly just a small blog. I was sharing the hikes that we did on the weekends, the road trips that we went on, places I loved exploring around the island. At that time, the goal wasn't to build a travel planning brand. It was simply to document my experiences and hopefully inspire people to visit Iceland too. But over the years, something interesting happened. More and more travelers started reaching out with their questions, and not just, where should I go, but how do I actually plan this trip? What route makes sense? How much time do I need? What can I realistically fit into one day? And as travel to Iceland got more popular, the amount of information online exploded. And all of a sudden, unlike before, there were endless blog posts, must-see lists, conflicting advice, and so many opinions of how a trip should look. What I kept hearing again and again is that trip planning still felt overwhelming. Too many tabs open, too many routes to compare, too much pressure to see all the things, and a constant feeling of second guessing whether you're making the right decisions. That is the feedback that shaped everything for me. So over time, Iceland with a View has grown from this little blog into a full planning resource. A guidebook, a digital map with thousands of curated locations, done for you itineraries, planning services, YouTube videos, trip consultations, and a really incredible community of travelers from all over the world. But as the business grew, the brand and the experience didn't always keep up in the way that I wanted. The shop grew in layers. I kept expanding with multiple guides and overlapping options. And even though my intention was to help, I started to see how too many choices could actually create more confusion. After 10 years, it finally felt like the right time to ask a bigger question. How can I make planning a trip to Iceland feel clearer, calmer, and more confident from the very beginning? And that question is exactly what led to this new chapter. What you're seeing now is a refreshed visual identity for Iceland with a View, inspired by Iceland's landscapes, glacial blues, mossy greens, volcanic warmth, a cleaner, more intuitive website experience, and most importantly, a simplified planning toolkit designed to work together as one connected system. So instead of sorting through multiple products that look similar, there is now one Iceland guidebook and one Iceland map. Itineraries and services have remained the same, but new to the shop is a planning quiz to help you quickly figure out which tools fit your trip so you can move forward with clarity instead of getting stuck comparing options. The goal is simple: fewer tabs open, less second guessing, and a smoother path from I want to go to Iceland to I feel confident in my plan. At the same time, some things haven't changed at all. My done-for-you itineraries are still there if you want a ready-made route. Planning consultations and itinerary reviews are still available if you want extra support. And the mission behind Iceland with a View is exactly the same as it's always been: to give you honest, practical, local advice so you can plan a trip that actually makes sense for you. And this evolution did not happen just inside of my brain because I wanted it to. Your emails, questions, feedback, trip stories, photos, even the moments where you felt stuck or overwhelmed have played a huge role in shaping what Iceland with a View has become. I pay really close attention to what you guys are struggling with. Not just the things that look shiny and seem exciting, but the things that confuse and overwhelm you. And I take that insight and directly apply it to existing tools or creating new ones. In a lot of ways, I guess you could say this chapter has been built together. I'm gonna get emotional now. If you've been here since the early blogging days, thank you for growing with me. If you're new, I'm really glad that you found your way here. Season 10 on YouTube feels like the perfect time to mark this transition online, not just visually. Because for me, this is not just about a new logo or new visuals. It's about 10 years of experience shaping better trip plans for you. My hope is that this next era of Iceland with a View continues to help you feel less overwhelmed, more confident in your choices, and genuinely excited about planning your trip. Planning a trip to Iceland should not feel chaotic. It should feel fun. If you're new here and want the clearest possible starting point for planning your trip, the guidebook and map are where I'd send you first. 10 years of my local knowledge distilled into one planning toolkit. You'll find it linked in the description. So wherever you are in your planning journey, I'm really excited to be a part of it. Here's to the next chapter. Happy planning.